Do you think I'm crazy wearing this jacket in Beverly Hills? And what about here? Welcome to North Pole, and today we're gonna stay in this bus and let's see if we survive here. So, let me show you around here. So actually, this is a luxury bus, and here we have electricity, fridge, Wi-Fi. Also, we have full-size kitchen, king bed. We have this dining table. We have one couch over there, and also we have couch here. We have panoramic window through all this wall, and also we have here heater. So I don't need this jacket anymore. My favorite guy, this heater. We have this beautiful kitchen with water, with tea, with coffee, kettle, and also we have these utensils, coffee maker, have some stove here. So, and now I'm gonna show you my luxury master bedroom. Let's check. Look at this. We have here king bed with panoramic window. What is going on? What's up? Where's light?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. It's okay. Let's call some manager. So it's fine. And now let's continue our tour, because we have the most interested part here. This is driver chair. Let's check. It's so funny. Look, I am a driver and go to the Denali National Park. And this place is so cool and so luxury. We have here everything and I love it. So, and now I'm gonna show you the bathroom. And where is the bathroom? No way. Outside? Let's check this bathroom, but first I need to get my jacket because it's so cold outside. I don't even know how cold. Let's go. Bathroom, where are you? I found it. Here you go. Oh my gosh. It's hard to reach this restroom. Oh my gosh, look at this. Restroom, I'm coming. I did it. Here you go. Our luxury restroom.
Oh, it's like a door from the bus.
Look at this.
Right.
This is our luxury amenities. Wow, look. We have here heater, toilet paper, and also we have this cutie hand sanitizer. So we got everything, but not shower.
And the best part is that if the sky is clear, we could see the northern lights here. Not sure it's cloudy, but let's see. Let's go. Hey, it's getting colder here. Do you think it's fine that we don't have electricity?
Let's call some manager. Oh my gosh, I don't have a network. I need to go outside. No way, I can't believe it. So I need to get higher. Oh, I got it! No, I lost it. Come on. Unfortunately, we don't have network. And it's getting darker and colder. We're in trouble.
Why did you throw it away?
Because I don't need this phone, it's not working, it's not connected to the internet.
Okay, what do we have here?
So, let's check. Shovel, axe, and wood. A lot of wood. Yeah! I got a fire! Icy bus.
This feels like Jurassic Park, but in ice age.
How do you like our experience here in the wood, in the bus?
Well, I still love it because that's something new, you know? It's like something fresh that's going on. I mean, something to remember.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
I see why.
This night.
This night.
So, this is the last one. Good morning, guys. We have survived this night, and babe, are you still alive?
Hope so.
Yeah. We've got power. No way. Why now we're leaving? So anyways guys, subscribe to our channel and see you next time if you grew up from Alaska.